Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Flemington, New Jersey, and home of AutoDrill. From the very beginning, AutoDrill's founder had a business philosophy that was based on exceptional service, selection, quality, and value. Having already acquired decades of experience in the machinery field and leading other companies, he established AutoDrill to serve the drilling and manufacturing field. The company now has a highly devoted customer base, competitive pricing, and superior quality products. Today, AutoDrill stands as the leading expert for production drilling, tapping, and all things multiple spindle head related. Whether it is machine shop experience, manufacturing design and engineering, operational efficiency methods, quality assurance procedures, or computer automated design and drafting, AutoDrill is here to assist you in any way they can. With more than 150 years of combined experience represented by their staff, you can be sure that your time with AutoDrill will not be time wasted. AutoDrill is a multi-generational, family-owned and operated business. They strive to hire and retain the very best staff to support you and your projects, working tirelessly to make sure that you receive the very best service from the very first time you contact them. AutoDrill gives you the power to manufacture at the highest level with self-feed drills, multiple spindle heads, turnkey setups, production tapping machines, automated control panels, parts, and service. With more than 30 countries in their international client base, AutoDrill has enough experience to professionally discuss and help solve your application challenges and needs regardless of their scope. Reach out to AutoDrill today and visit their website at autodrill.com. This is John Criswell from Manufacturing Marvels.